Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show a beautiful point painting, oil painting ideas using for painting colors, cardboard. Making this dry decor is very beautiful and stylish. You can easily make it and draw it. If you watch the full video carefully till end, beautiful ideas. In this oil painting videos ideas beginning, I show you how to paint in relation carriers. I show which colors and medium I use as well as my painting reference. You can also download these videos. I am an artist inside it in sunny warm. My paintings are very heavy in stitching for our natures. It's beautiful. I work primarily in oil paints and something color water. I hope you liked it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Share your friends and family members. I share bits of my life as artist, creating art in my life, create personals. I am thankful for this challenge to share with you. I post real-time oil painting videos with voice-over of my oil painting process, siblings, photography for use tutorials and postcards. Thanks for watching my videos.